Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing everything in this box. So, there's Batman, no, Spider-Man, Black and Red. Don't know where he's from. So I got a bit of a cold, but let's try stand him up. Oh, he's a bit yellow. Let's just sit him down. And we've got another Spider-Man. It does this, I think it does something. Oh, it doesn't matter then. That can stand up. Stay. And then we've got Green Venom, I think it is. I'm not sure. Oh no, their head's messed up. Or Green Lantern or Venom. I'm not sure. But we've got that. Try sit him down. Ooh. Wow. Right, that can lie down. That can stand up. He got this. Don't know what this is. I think he's part of an Avengers. I'm not sure. Looks pretty cool though. He can go around like that. And that makes you really angry. And you go out, you can go like twist the legs and you can twist their heads. So there's that. Come on, stand up for me. Are you mad? That's gonna have to lie down as well. And we've got a gun, Batman gun. Shoot, but I haven't got any bullets. Need to find Batman, and then we got this really mini figure. So Iron Man. I'm not sure. So we got that. It's pretty cool. We're gonna find him there. Then we've got a random person out of nowhere, mate. Like legit, out of nowhere. So no. And we've got we got proper Iron Man now. Small though, but who cares? He can stand up. You mad? Oh, it doesn't matter. So we got them at the moment. So got a Batman bike. It come with a Batman cave, but it's too big to show, so I ain't gonna show it. Batman wings. This woman. I don't know. They're pretty cool though, these little figures. There's another figure. I don't know who he is. I thought I did, but I don't. Got him. And we got a gun, I think. I'm not sure. And then that goes on to something. I'm not sure. So then we got this one, mate. This beast. He's good. He is. Right. Oh wait, we have got a bullet. Yes. I'll shoot it for you. Right. 3, 2. Shoot it at you, yeah? 1, 2, 3. Ha! I'm doing that again, that's fun. 3, 2, 1. Right, so that was my toy kind of Avengers thing review. Spider-Man. I'm a weirdo, right? Yeah. So, see ya.